there is awe.
Diba?
Diba? You get
Precisely.
stricken with awe, diba?
Diba? That's it. Even the good, even the truth, it just slaps you in the face. Because it's a kind of objective reality, and yet that objective reality could be contemplated by your mind.
Yes. Siguro ang thing is, different people have different capacity of analyzing how to express those observations. Parang you just feel the awe, but you can't explain it.
That's right.
Diba? And for me, the philosopher is somebody that can simplify
I think
what
so.
it
I
is.
agree with that.
Diba? Let's say,
I like your word, simplify. That's it.
Diba?
A lot of people will say, pinapahirapan tayo. No. They're simplifying things for us.
Diba? Kaya makikita mo yung mga peking philosopher na nag-grandstand lang, diba?
Right.
They think that knowing these things about Plato and Nietzsche, they think they're superior and that this is something na hindi abot ng kahit sinong tao. Everybody can understand Nietzsche. Yun nga, siguro you need kumbaga extensive reading din, pero at the bottom line, maiintindihan mo kung anong ibig sabihin.
Precisely.
Kasi simple lang yung it's the process of coming up on how to simplify that complex thought. Yun yung ginawa niya. Pero sa totoo lang, simple lang yung ginasabi niya. 'Di ba? Like let's say yung Socratic method, 'di ba? Parang I know that I know nothing. 'Di ba? Parang alam nating lahat yun eh. 'Di ba, na parang hindi limited lang yung alam mo.
That's right.
And you need to accept na limited lang yung alam mo para makapag-move forward ka, para malaman mo talaga kung ano yung hindi mo alam.
Right.
'Di ba? Yun lang naman yun eh. So everybody can understand that kahit magbabalot ka. At maintindihan mo yun eh. And yun nga lang, philosopher has this unique way of focusing and di ko lang hihimay-himay niya kung ano yung
na-articulate niya.
Oo, he can articulate it. Like let's say the golden rule, 'di ba? Sa paano ba maging mabuti?
Everybody knows that.
Oo, 'di ba?
In all cultures.
Kaya nga, paano ba maging mabuting tao? Para madaming kumbaga parang you can write an entire book on how to become a good person. You can cite endless examples kung paano ka maging mabait. Pero sabi lang ni Confucius, don't do to others what you don't want others to do unto you. Parang ganun. So it's pinasimple niya, 'di ba? Tapos pag narinig mo, yun lang pala yun. 'Di ba? It's at least it's one simplified version of an entire library.
That's right.
Of explaining.
And by the way, even Jesus mentioned that.
Yes, but
'Di ba?
proactive yung kay Jesus, 'di ba?
Di ba?